नमस्कार जय जगन्नाथ मु जोशना आज आम आसी पहुँचीचु रिहैबिलिटेशन एंड पैलिएटिव केयर प्राइवेट लिमिटेड। आज आम सहित अच्छा फाउंडर एंड डायरेक्टर ऑफ द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन डॉक्टर दुर्बा मिश्रा। आई वेलकम यू मैम। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आपण प्रेशियस टाइम बाहर करके आम सहित आज अच्छा आम आज जाना पैलिएटिव केयर कहले आम कौन बुझुचु एवं तार जड़ित किसी बहुत कॉमन आस्क्ड क्वेश्चंस। तो मैम मु आरंभ करी प्रथम क्वेश्चन रु।
Sure.
पैलिएटिव केयर कहले आम कौन बुझुचु?
Palliative care, it's an approach which improves the quality of life of patients who are diagnosed with life-threatening illness. And it is not just taking care of the physical part of the patient, but it is taking care of the physical, psychosocial, spiritual and overall well-being of a patient with chronic, life-threatening illness through the end of their life and beyond that.
बेसिकली जो माने इल अच्छंती बट तांको मेडिकल लाइफ रे तांको किछि सेमती प्रॉमिस दिया ही परनी कि तांको लाइफ आगु को कोन हबो सेठी पैलिएटिव केयर इज अ बेसिक रोल प्ले करूची एंड इट इज गिविंग द ऑल काइंड ऑफ नेसेसिटीज गोटे होमली एनवायरनमेंट क्रिएट होची एठी।
करेक्ट, दैट इज वेरी करेक्ट। आमे जत्ते बेले भी चाहेबा बहुत जन समस्त चाहंती जत्ते बेले टुवर्ड्स द एंड ऑफ योर लाइफ you want to be surrounded by people who really love you, who really care about it, not a lonely death in an intensive care unit setting where there is no one around. And they also, at that end of life, it is very important that they need that personal touch. And it's very difficult to give in a tertiary care hospital setting. And the palliative care is to, give that kind of life. And also to let the patients live their life with dignity the way they want it. That is a big say in palliative care. It is the patient's wish that is of the importance.
पैलिएटिव केयर रो आवश्यकता काहे की एवं कोन?
आपण जदि देखिबे सारा पृथ्वी रे about 40 million people need palliative care. किंतु ता मध्यरु ओनली 14% हैव द एक्सेस टू पैलिएटिव केयर। और जदि भारत अवस्था देखिए ता आहरी खराब। भारत रे वर्तमान 1.2 बिलियन पॉपुलेशन रु 5.4 मिलियन पीपल एवरी ईयर नीड पैलिएटिव केयर, बट ओनली 1% ऑफ पीपल हैव एक्सेस टू पैलिएटिव केयर। पैलिएटिव केयर एक्चुअली आपण देखिथिबे बहुत कैंसर पेशेंट जते बेले इट कम्स टू ए स्टेज दैट डॉक्टर्स टेल देम दैट देयर इज नो मोर ट्रीटमेंट. सो व्हेन देयर इज नो मोर ट्रीटमेंट they kind of get sad and they feel like there is no one to support them, and palliative care is for those kind of patients. But it is not only the cancer, but there are many patients like elderly with advanced age, 90, 95 years old, they will need palliative care. It is also for patients with chronic heart disease. जने लोकर हार्ट टा जदि बहुत खराब हे गला and the doctors cannot do anything, there is no more bypass surgery available, no more stenting available, so they have to live with that chronic heart disease, which is life threatening. So they need palliative care. People with chronic lung disease, people with diabetes, people with chronic kidney disease who need dialysis, at some point they feel like there is
giving up.
They want to give up. They don't want to have that kind of life going to dialysis 3 days a week. It is for those kind of patients.
मैम नेक्स्ट मु जानिया को चाहिबी किछि एमिति लाइफ एक्सपीरियंस अछि पेशेंट्स करो जेमति कि बहुत सीरियसली इल अछंती पेशेंट किंतु आफ्टर टेकिंग पैलिएटिव केयर माने पैलिएटिव केयर नेला परे तांको लाइफ केमिति परिवर्तन हेछि सेमति किछि एक्सपीरियंस हम सहित शेयर करंत?
निश्चय एमिति तो बहुत पेशेंट अछंती जो मान को विषय में कहि परिबी, किंतु पार्टिकुलरली गोटे मोर पेशेंट विथ लंग कैंसर शेयर करिबी। से पेशेंट जिते बेले तांकर डायग्नोसिस हवा समय रे तांकर ऑलरेडी कैंसर स्प्रेड करि जाइथिला बोन को। तांकू डॉक्टर माने कीमोथेरापी देले सबु देले, किंतु तांकर सिवियर पेन हैला, सिवियर पेन एंड से पेन मेडिसिन खाइले तार कॉम्प्लिकेशन हैला, कॉन्स्टिपेशन हैला, हेमोरॉइड हैला. सो द कॉम्प्लिकेशन लिस्ट गोज ऑन. डेफिनेटली देयर इज नो क्यूरेटिव treatment for that patient, But after she was enrolled in palliative care, we took a totally different approach. She got her treatment, she got the maintenance chemo, she got the radiation therapy for her bone pain. Kintu ता सत्वे because she was under palliative care, so the other things we took care of it. Even though she was actively being treated for cancer, and even though she knew that her cancer cannot be cured, she was in terms with her diagnosis and she was able to live a rather active and healthy life. The approach that we took, she was seen by a psychologist. When she got weak from bone metastasis with a fracture, she got physiotherapy to get back on her feet. Initially she was on a wheelchair, gradually started walking. Then she started, not only that, she has 3 or 4 grandchildren. She wants to spend time with her grandchildren. She wants to, in summer, at least in America, the grandchildren are the primary caregiver for the little ones. All parents go to work, but kids are out on summer vacation and they rely on the grandparents. So she was able to get back to that, taking care of her grandchildren. And as you know, that always brings a smile in their faces. True. When they see their little grandkids running around playing, and that's what they wanted to. This was her dream, and she was able to fulfill it with our support. But other thing I must say, one part of palliative care is the compassionate care. So this is a very touchy experience, I would say. I was really touched. She was in my office and I was talking to her, and in the end I just told her, I taught her a little bit of breathing technique. Like, she gets anxious because she has complications of lung cancer. She gets shortness of breath. So as she was getting anxious, I just went and gave her a hug and taught her very simple breathing. Like what we call here pranayam, it's the same thing. In America, they will just take a deep breath. So that's what, but it's basically the same thing. So I taught her very basic pranayam and gave her a hug, and her husband was in tears, and she came to me and he just hugged me and told me, I didn't know that doctors do this these days.
Actually.
So that's what it is.
So it's not like आपण खाली physically तांको सहित deal करूछंती, but emotionally भी तांको support दिया होछि.
Exactly.
Palliative care रो benefits एवं side effects कौन रहिछि मैम?
Palliative care रो तो benefit बहुत किछि. Number 1, relief from symptom. Pain हला जो life threatening illness रो pain is a big component. So pain relief is one of the goals. The other goal is that it's not only just pain relief, but how to let a patient live with dignity. That's every human being's basic right, and palliative care, establishes that. The other thing is that, it affirms that life is there, but death is also a reality. It's kind of letting the patients know that, death is a real thing and we have to accept it. And until that acceptance comes, we can't be peaceful. So it brings the peace within the patients. And also if you look at the cost-wise, palliative care is very cost effective. There are many countries that has been studies that you see that people actually don't, whenever there is an illness that you can see that the life will be prolonged meaningfully, then it makes sense to spend money. But when we know that death is coming, death is imminent, there is no reason for patients to go and spend lots of money in the ICU. Their ultimate saving, the people become homeless because they have to sell their homes to get a treatment, and there is no end to that requirement of money. So palliative care not only is cost effective, but it gives a meaningful life to the patients, and they live very peacefully within their loved ones, living with dignity.
Fact.
आपण जो क्वेश्चन पचारले palliative care, what are the
benefits and side effects?
Side effects. So literally there is no side effect of palliative care. It is a win-win situation, you can say.
यह यार सुविधा को माने नहीं परिवे
पालिएटिव केयर सुविधा जनरली आम जो टर्मिनाल इलनेस कहू से टर्मिनाली इल पेसेंट नियंती टर्मिनाल इल माने जदि गोटे कैंसर इज ए टर्मिनाल इलनेस कहार क्रॉनिक कंजेस्टिव हार्ट फेलियर बा आम जो हार्ट फेलियर कहू सीटा भी गोटे टर्मिनाल इलनेस रेस्पिरेटरी प्रॉब्लम लंग्स प्रॉब्लम बहुत होना दैट इज ए टर्मिनाल इलनेस आमर जमी भारत भाया देश में ट्यूबरकुलोसिस इज ए टर्मिनाल इलनेस इट कैन बी ए टर्मिनाल इलनेस एड्स बा HIV गोटे टर्मिनाल इलनेस किंबा पेसेंट जार जदि स्ट्रोक हो गला से माने पूरा पैरालाइज्ड हो गले गोटे साइड रे दे कैन आल्सो बी पार्ट ऑफ दे आल्सो नीड पैलिएटिव केयर इवन दो इट इज नॉट ए टर्मिनाल इलनेस इट कैन बी ए लाइफ थ्रेटनिंग इलनेस ता छड़ा जदि कहीं रोड एक्सीडेंट बा ट्रॉमा होना पैरालिसिस हो गला because after that the complications just comes and comes so they need palliative care किंतु एठी गोटे जिनस मु कहबा को चाहिबे जे पीडियाट्रिक्स पेशेंट मान को आमे भूली जिबा कथा नुहे पीडियाट्रिक्स रे भी एभली डिजीजेस अच्छी कंडीशंस अच्छी जो लगे पैलिएटिव केयर दरकार जमिति सेरेब्रल पल्सी से पेशेंट माने तांकर बहुत कॉम्प्लिकेशंस हुए दे रियली नीड पैलिएटिव केयर किंबा pediatric cancer patients pediatric cancer is also many kids are affected so semanकर भी palliative care दरकार एंड शेष में आम जो एजिंग पॉपुलेशन एल्डरली पेशेंट्स जिते बड़े आपंकर 85-90 वर्ष हो नेचुराली बहुत अनेक डिजीज आसी जाए आर मल्टीपल डिजीज थाए से समय से पेशेंट मानकर केयर नवा लगे palliative care निहाती दरकार
Rehabilitation and Palliative Care Private Limited going beyond medicine रघुनाथपुर भुवनेश्वर रे अछि एबे हमें जानिबा एठी को टाइप रो फैसिलिटीज दिया जाउछि पेशेंट्स को एवं केमिति केयर निया जाउछि
वेरी नाइस क्वेश्चन एक्चुअली जदियो palliative care in a primitive way there are some centers in Odisha rehabilitation and palliative care is the first of its kind exclusive palliative care center in Bhubaneswar in Odisha आमर यहाँ 26 बेड अच्छी किंतु आमे चाहूँ गोटे कम्प्रेहेंसिव केयर दबा लगे पेशेंट मानक तेणु पेशेंट माने जिते आसबे इट स्टार्ट्स विथ आउट पेशेंट रे जदि किए आसला OPD रे देखा कले से विथ ए डायग्नोसिस ऑफ टर्मिनल इलनेस वी हैव ए टीम ऑफ फिजिशियंस who will plan out make a plan for that patient in collaboration with the physiotherapist nurses, social worker, psychologist, and with our yoga and spiritual therapist.
Beautiful.
So, and we will try to bring people with palliative care specialization so that they will individualize the treatment for each and every patient. Our treatment goal है patient जो acutely ill है we have inpatient 26 beds. And after that, we'll support them, discharge them home with home care. Our home care team will include nurse, physiotherapist, wound care, and also the psychologist and spiritual teacher like yoga and meditation. So that they go home, they become independent, then we train the family, social support, anyone, the neighbors or whoever is interested to provide that care, will train them, make them confident, come back, and we will have a connection with the patient constantly so that if they have any problem, we are a phone call away. We will be accessible to them and telemedicine will be a big part so that we can see the patients and treat them if needed. Any emergency, we have an ambulance service that will go pick up the patient, bring them to the facilities to take care of them. And there will be also a day care. I want to stress, someone has some minor problem, we don't want to keep them in the hospital. They will come to the hospital, we'll try to take care of them as soon as possible and let them go back home because there is no place like home in this world.
Actually, এই নিয়ারা চিন্তাধারাটি আপনার মনকু কিপরি আসিলা
एक्चुअली ये चिंताधारा तो आसीथिला मन को जिते मु SC मेडिकल कॉलेज रे मेडिसिन PG करी 93 रे ସେତେବେଳେ ବି ଯେତେବେଳେ କ୍ୟାନ୍ସର ପେସେଣ୍ଟ କିଏ ଆସୁଥିଲେ କିମ୍ବା ୱାର୍ଡ଼ରେ ତାଙ୍କର ଡେଥ୍ ହେଉଥିଲା ବା ଅନ୍ୟ କିଏ ବୟସ୍କ ଲୋକ ବି ଆସୁଥିଲେ ତେଣୁ ଯେଉଁ କମ୍ପାସିଅନ୍ ଆଟିଚ୍ୟୁଡ଼ଟା ଥିଲା ମୋର ତେଣୁ ମୁଁ ସବୁବେଳେ ସେମାନଙ୍କ ବିଷୟରେ ଭାବୁଥିଲି କିନ୍ତୁ ପାଲିଏଟିଭ୍ କେୟାର କନସେପ୍ଟ ଇଟସେଲ୍ଫ ଇଜ୍ କ୍ୱାଇଟ୍ ନ୍ୟୁ ଯଦିଓ ଏଇଟା 20-30 ବର୍ଷ ହେଲା ଥିଲା କିନ୍ତୁ WHO डिफाइन कला पालिएटिव केयर को बहुत रिसेंटली 1916-17 रे पालिएटिव केयर कॉन्सेप्ट टिके बेसी ग्रो करथिला सेबेठु मु भाबुथली जे पालिएटिव केयर इज रियली नीडेड इन ओडिशा तापर जेतेबेले देयर आर सम पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंसेस देयर आर सम पेशेंट्स दैट यू कम इन टच विथ इन ओडिशा में जेतेबेले भी अल्प समय रे आसु यू नो वी सी देम प्लस यूएसए रे भी जेतेबेले प्रैक्टिस मेडिसिन प्रैक्टिस किछि वर्ष कला पर आई रियलाइज दैट पालिएटिव केयर इज the way to go because it goes beyond medicine and gives something more than medicine to the patients definitely. So that's how it started and the more the coronavirus came and the idea became strong and the desire to make something like this started and we started.
So basically आमे कहि परिबा तांको गोटे नुवा जीवन दिया जाउची
हाँ कहि परिबे that is the true life because without palliative care if you'll see those 40 million who really need palliative care they die before their death and
True.
Our goal is not to let them die from inside before their death
exactly
rather make their life so that they become immortal.
हॉस्पिस केयर और नॉर्मल हॉस्पिटल केयर ठू पैलिएटिव केयर किपरि भाबरे भिन्न अटे
this is a really important question. I'm glad that you asked this question because it's a question that are asked by many patients. प्रथम मु टच करी हॉस्पिटल एक्यूट हॉस्पिटल केयर वर्सेस पैलिएटिव केयर तेणु एक्यूट हॉस्पिटल केयर रे आमे केवल पेशेंट रो डिजीज को फोकस करू जदियो फिजियोथेरापी एंड अदर मोडालिटीज आर यूज्ड इन एक्यूट हॉस्पिटल केयर बट द गोल इज नॉट ऑलवेज द सेम. एक्यूट हॉस्पिटल केयर है से माने ट्राई करते फिजिकल कंडीशन टाको क्योर करी पठे देबे व्हेयर एज पैलिएटिव केयर focuses on the person as a whole. We take into account their physical condition, their mental condition, their psychological condition, their social condition, their spiritual background and what really the patient wants. The patient becomes a big part of decision making team. It is not the physician who just go prescribe the treatment and leave. We involve the patient and the family in each and every step. So even though palliative care can be a part of medical care, just acute medical care is not equivalent to palliative care. The other question that you asked is about hospice care versus palliative care. Hospice care दिया जाए जितबले terminally ill patients when there is their death is imminent. Normally in United States it's a pretty standard when you refer a patient for hospice they have a life expectancy of less than 6 months. But palliative care does not need that. As soon as a life-threatening illness is diagnosed the patient can be referred to palliative care. And the other thing is that palliative care is not passive care. It is an active care taking care of the patient. And palliative care does not give up on the patient treatment. They can still go for the curative treatment, but at the same time, we treat them as a whole, giving them that complete feeling of well-being through all different modalities of treatment that we have discussed. And not only that, the patient's wishes is the basis of palliative care. Whatever the patient wants, we take that into consideration. You must have seen in the general hospital, no one asks the patient many times that what they want.
Exactly.
But palliative care is always, every day we ask the patient, what do you want? This is what we think is the best. Do you think it is good for you? Patient says no. We have to take that into account. It is the patient's choice. And let them live with dignity. Dignity means, their choice is a big part. We always, keep that in mind, what does the patient want. So that's basically the difference.
Okay, and expenses जदि हमें consider करिबा हॉस्पिस केयर एंड पैलिएटिव केयर रो कोन डिफरेंस रहइबो सेतरे?
Actually, hospice palliative care goes through different, there are 5 stages of palliative care. When the patient first diagnosed with a life-threatening illness, that is the stage 1. Stage 2 is unstable phase. Mane tankar life-threatening illness rahila, so they have some complications. Suppose a cancer patient, they have some bone metastasis, so that is an unstable phase. Then it goes to deteriorating, they got the treatment, then they gradually went downhill. In spite of all treatment, they decline. The 4th stage is that's when the patient goes downhill and the end of life comes. So that end of life care is only hospice care. So that is basically hospice care. But those first 3 phases, it is completely palliative care. So palliative care patients, at some point they need the end of life care, and that is equivalent to hospice care, you can say. The 5th stage is after the patient dies, the family goes through a lot. So we look into the entire family, what they are going through, and we provide support, counseling, whatever the family needs. We give them access to us so that they can talk to us. They can talk to the professional, the counselor, and go through that grieving process so that they get back to normal life again. It is giving the patient quality life, dignity, life with dignity, and even when the patient is not there, getting back the family back on their feet to normalcy, normal life.
आज आम आसीलु रिहाबिलिटेशन एंड पैलिएटिव केयर प्राइवेट लिमिटेड रघुनाथपुर भुवनेश्वर एवं आज आम जानिलु पैलिएटिव केयर कहले आम कौन बुझु एंड ता सहित जोड़ी किछि क्वेश्चंस जोटा कि मैम आमको बहुत ब्रीफली आमको सब जणैछंती ता विषय रे एवं आपण ये सर्विसेज मध्य नै पारिबे आपनको किछि भी डाउट्स अछि आपनको ये सर्विसेज विषय जदी आउ किछि भी एक्स्ट्रा जानिबार अछि स्क्रीन तळे दिया जिथिबा नंबर रे जोगाजोग करन। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद मैम आप निज टाइम देले एवं आमको बहुत भल भाव में जनइले पैलिएटिव केयर कहले आम कौन बुझुछु एवं तार जड़ित किछि प्रश्नर उत्तर मध्य पाइलु आमे। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
No, thank you, Josna, for giving me this opportunity to speak about palliative care.